If you want to make clock smaller in the home screen on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the clock widget over here, and then you can release your finger in order to drop it to its place again, and then you will see this outline with circles on left and right side. In this case, we can resize the widget like this, so that the widget uses a less space, so you can place, for example, some apps over here, or you can add another widget. However, if you still find this widget too big, if you still feel like it takes too much space, we're gonna just remove it. So we can press and hold and drop to remove it over here. There we go. And we can add another widget with the clock. So we're gonna press and hold our finger on an empty space over here, and then go to widgets. And we can use this clock app that has different widgets. We have this analog clock, digital, stacked, and so on and so forth. So in my case, I'm gonna use a digital one, so I can press and hold and then drop it, let's say, over here in the middle. And then we also have the option in this specific case to use a solid color or transparent. I'm gonna stick with transparent. And there we go. Now, as you can see, I can resize it so that it takes much less space. I can make it so that it takes the whole size, the whole width of the screen. And there we go. There is also this setting icon that allows us to, for example, switch back to the solid. So this is how it looks like when the widget is solid. Definitely much smaller clock, which might be quite convenient for some people. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.